Mamante, yeah, at the level of yeah. All my bitches look at me, yeah. All the fucking bitches look at me. I don't give a fuck with all bitches look at me. I don't give a fuck with all bitches look at me. This is how we ball out. This is how we roll up. This is how we ball up. We don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck. This is how we ball up. This is how we ride on. This is how we ball up. Yeah, yeah. Mali girls over me. That is how we do. Mali girls over me. That is how we ball out. That is how we ball out. That is how we ball out. All my niggas, I know gang on my building, we don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck. I know gang in the building, nigga. That is how we ball out. That is how we ball out. I'm in the ocean with my old girls, swimming with my bitch. Oh my fucking nigga. That is how we ball out. That is how we swim. That is how we swim. We don't give a fuck. If you talk nonsense, we gon' chop your mother fucking mouse. We gon' do that least. That is how we do. It's me, Lil Biggie. Don't talk shit, nigga. If you talk shit, I don't give a fuck with you. That is how we ball out. That is how we ball out. That is how we play. That is how we ball out. Don't talk shit. Don't talk shit. That is how we ball out, nigga.